How to add emphasis in Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another Elevenlabs tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add emphasis in your speech in Elevenlabs. So how can you do that? Since Elevenlabs creates AI generated speech, the major way you can add emphasis is by being strategic with your writing. So once you've signed into your Elevenlabs account, click on the text box and then write out your text. So the first step in order for you to use emphasis is to capitalize certain words. So capitalize the words that you would like to emphasize. For example, in this particular text of mine, I want to emphasize my side, so I capitalized it. Then the next step would be for you to use exclamation marks, use punctuation marks like exclamation marks, like ellipses to focus on certain words. So for example, in my text, I used exclamation mark on after 2024 because I'm trying to emphasize the year this text was written. Then another example, another thing you can do to emphasize certain words is by making use of brackets, right? By making use of brackets in your text, it shows that certain words are very important and they should be emphasized. So you can just include brackets in your speech this way, and that particular word or phrases would be emphasized as time goes on, as you continue with the speech. Okay, so another thing that you can do in order for you to emphasize certain speech or certain words in your Elevenlabs is to capitalize, or I capitalize words and then adjust settings. So how do you adjust the settings? Move to the settings option, click on settings, move to the right side of the settings page, and then reduce the stability. By reducing the stability of your voice, you would make the voice more expressive, more natural, and it would make it to emphasize those words that you've added punctuations, that you've capitalized, that you've made more prominent, and reduce the similarity, increase the style exaggeration, move to the bottom right corner, click on generate speech, and your expressive speech is ready. That is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.